In this section, I'll share with you the different tips to optimize the number of keywords you have for your application. Going back to the two main fields that we'll use for keywords, we first have the app name with 255 characters and the keyword list with 100 characters. The more keywords you have in those two fields, and the more chances your app is going to be ranked in the App Store. As I told you earlier in this course, the keywords in the app name are given more importance by the iTunes search than keywords in the keyword list. This means that if a keyword is in your app name, your app will rank higher than if it's in your keyword list. The app name is also the largest with 255 characters. So logically, you should be stuffing this field with as many keywords as possible. But that's not the case. In the past, some app publishers got away with this, and their app names were very long, sometimes several lines long. It looked ugly, but it worked. The reality now is that starting early 2015, Apple started rejecting app names that are too long and look spammy. What I've seen is Apple starting to complain or reject your app if it's more than 70 to 80 characters. This means that between the app name and the keyword list, we have between 170 to 180 characters to add our keywords. That's not a lot of space, so we need to see how to optimize it as much as possible, and that's what I'll show you in the following tips.